In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sales pipeline in Keap. Keap's sales pipeline is a helpful way to visually track your opportunities from the moment a lead comes in all the way through to the final result. It gives you a clear view of where each deal stands, and it can also support automation based on the stage you choose, which makes it even more useful for managing your sales process efficiently. To get started, log into your Keap account. Once you're on the main dashboard, head over to the Sales section. From there, choose Pipeline so you can access the area where your sales stages and deal flow are managed. Next, click Add New, then select Add New Pipeline. This will let you create a fresh pipeline specifically for your sales process. When the setup options appear, select Sales Pipeline and click Get Started. Keap provides a sales pipeline template with several default stages already created, which is a great starting point because it reflects a common sales journey and saves you time during setup. The first stage is New Leads. This stage is where you place brand new opportunities that have just entered your system. These leads may still need review, follow-up, or initial outreach before you know whether they're a strong fit. After that, you'll see Qualified Leads. This stage is for leads that have been reviewed and confirmed as good potential opportunities. In other words, they've moved beyond first contact and are now worth actively pursuing. The next stage is Quote Sent. This is where you move deals once you've sent pricing, a proposal, or a formal quote. It helps you quickly identify which leads are waiting on a response and may need follow-up. Then comes Negotiating. This stage is useful for deals that are still being discussed, adjusted, or worked through before a final decision is made. It gives you visibility into opportunities that are active but not yet finalized. Next is Quote Accepted. This stage shows that the customer has agreed to your offer. It's an important milestone because it signals that the deal is moving toward completion. If you need to expand your process, click Add New Stage. From here, add Closed Won. This stage is important because it marks deals that were successfully completed. It helps you measure conversions, track sales performance, and clearly separate active opportunities from completed ones. Then add Closed Lost. This stage is just as important because it tracks deals that didn't move forward. Keeping lost deals documented gives you a more accurate pipeline and can help you review patterns or improve your sales approach over time. Once everything looks good, click Save. At this point, you can begin adding your deals directly into the pipeline. As a best practice, keep your stages focused on major milestones rather than every small task. Your pipeline should clearly show where a deal stands at a glance. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.